Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a fuel filter on a Hyundai Santa Fe. First, gather your new fuel filter, a wrench set, and a drain pan. Park your Santa Fe on a flat surface and let the engine cool completely. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery before starting any work. This prevents accidental electrical issues during the process. You'll be ready to proceed safely. Next, locate the fuel filter. On many Hyundai Santa Fe models, it's found underneath the vehicle, near the fuel tank. Before disconnecting anything, you must depressurize the fuel system. This usually involves removing the fuel pump fuse and running the engine until it stalls. Be prepared for a small amount of fuel to spill, so have some shop rags handy to absorb it quickly and safely. Now it's time to remove the old filter. Using the correct wrenches, carefully disconnect the fuel lines attached to both ends of the filter. Be gentle, as these connections can be fragile. Once the lines are off, unmount the filter from its bracket. There might be a small amount of residual fuel, so keep your drain pan underneath. Properly dispose of the old filter and any fuel according to local regulations. Finally, install your new fuel filter. Make sure to orient it correctly, following the flow arrow usually marked on the filter body. Reconnect the fuel line securely to the new filter, then mount it back into its bracket. Reconnect your car's negative battery terminal. Turn the ignition to the on position a few times without starting to prime the fuel system. Then, start the engine and carefully check for any fuel leaks.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.